Before I get into my speech meat, I need to ask you something. Two things I'm going to share with you. One is promise, and second one is forgiveness. Let me ask you a question. If I make a mistake today, now, or if I have made a mistake in my life and I request you to forgive me, would you forgive me by showing of your hand? Tell me honestly. Thank you so much. If you are able to forgive me for my mistake without having any close relationship with me, and why don't you do it for yourself? This is Toastmasters part, where a lot of people, they are not forgiving themselves after one not very good speech. I'm not here to inspire you or teach you anything. You all know many things, even more than myself. But I'm going to remind you something and leave you with one call to introspect. Looking at my face and thinking that this guy coming from a small village did not go to a good school. Till his 10th standard, he spent only maybe few $100 for entire education. If this guy is able to do so much in his life, and I'm so blessed, this is what you need to think about. Trust me, I'm not here to teach you anything. I have nothing but to share my story, which is vulnerable, sometimes painful, sometimes admirable, sometimes amazing. It has ups and downs, like how our heart beats. That introspection I would like to leave you with. If this guy can do it, and I'm much better than this person, and how this guy was able to do it only with one thing. When my father taught me, because I started working with my father when I was just 12, and I used to work with him as an electrician, a small shop, going from village to city every single day on motorbike, and I spent more than 8 years with him along with my studies. And one thing he inculcated without teaching me, but while practicing, that Amjad, if you don't support people around you, if you don't support the things you are standing on, it could be any ladder, it could be a ladder of people, you are going to collapse without any doubt. So empower people as much as you can, best to your ability. It does not, you don't have to be a scholar, you don't have to be anything big, a giant Mark Zuckerberg, but a person. You can start empowering people from one account of one. There is someone next to you who needs you. He could be richer than you, but make him feel good. That's what I've seen today. The way you have delivered your speeches, the way evaluators have done their jobs, they made you feel great. That's what he inculcated in my life, and that's what I tried to practice in every bit of my life, and that's what making me a successful person. But now if I would say success means like I have a few towers in Abu Dhabi, in Dubai, in Singapore, no, not at all. That's not my success. Success is I'm feeling content. If I'm able to travel from my little income, yes, that's my contentment, because I'm prioritizing my things which I love doing. Could be traveling, could be public speaking. I got into public speaking by accident. I was not a coach. I got into coaching only because of one reason I'm going to share with you. That's only one thing. When I saw people committing suicide while having so much wealth around. Recently one person committed suicide jumping from a building. He was a rich person, his family was along with him, nothing is missing in his life what we are trying to achieve in our life, but that person committed suicide. So I'm not helping people to make money, but telling them insisting them to spend your money. That's where I got into coaching. I am coaching them to spend your money, enjoy your money. And my first term with them is, it's written. I have right now 3 clients, I'm serving them. They're very well settled. My first commitment with them is, which is written, you will listen to me whatever I'm going to say. You will not bring your title, your position, your status in between us. If you are going to listen to me, we are going to shake hands and we are going to work together. They agreed. That's where I do coaching. I don't tell them how to make money. They know all. You all know how to make money. You must have read so many books where you have read or learned how to make money, how to keep a happy life, how to go traveling rich, traveling poor. You all have learned, but we are lacking practice what we are learning. That's what I'm trying into my coaching. They made money, but they are not using or they are not enjoying their money. This is my business part, and my promise with you, rather your promise to me is, and above that your promise to yourself is, please grace yourself with something you have, that if this person can do, I am definitely going to do it. I'm not going to share my entire story of my life, the vulnerabilities, ups and downs, when I cried, when I did 3-4 jobs in a day, when I spent 16-18 hours every single day. I was not able to see when the sun is setting. I'm not trying to make you feel good just for the sake of doing it, but I'm telling you the real stories of my life. That's what I tell wherever I go. If this person is able to do it, I am able to do it. When I started Toastmasters, I couldn't speak, but when I got into Toastmasters Club, I was overwhelmed with my confidence. You may call it overconfidence, that I was running a successful business. When I got into, okay, I'm a successful person, I have some money, I have traveled few countries, whatever you want to talk to me, come in front of me, confront. But when I got onto stage, I felt, Amjad, you just need to born yet. And I mean it. I was not born yet. When I started speaking, then people like you, friends like you, amazing people like you, altruistic people like you, they got into my life. They elated me. They made my life even more special. And they continue supporting me till today. They heard me, appreciated me. Okay, they helped me improved. But the best part was, major chunk was, they appreciated the good parts. Amjad, coming on stage is daring. That's what you're doing every single day. They clapped for me. They stood for me. They gave me standing ovations. So that's what I would like to encourage with. I was not able to do this all paths or fastest DTM or traveling to different countries, speaking to them. That does not mean I made them completely inspired, but something was left there out of all these things. Something was there, maybe that madness of a person. Where is your mad person here? Please make sure the person is awake, that person is not dead yet. That child out of you, that person who is curious, who is mad, literally I'm using this word mad, sometimes I use this word mental, who doesn't care what people say about it. That person has to come out every single day out of you to speak. That's what myself is all about. When I'm with my kids, I dance, I make TikTok videos, I do lip syncing, I do funny stuff, I do motivation. People comment on my motivations that Amjad, it's your different face, we can't accept you that way. That's your business. That's none of my business. That's my life. I'm a father, I'm a husband, I'm a friend, I'm a son, I'm a brother. So don't tell me be one person at all. I'm going to be a different person in front of every different person. In front of you, I'm going to be a different person. So don't make yourself so stiff that people will make a mind out of you that okay, this person is like that. When you do something different, then they will misunderstand you. This is my life story. I don't know how many you will get it, but get something out of my speech is, please introspect. Don't practice what I have practiced. Don't practice what is written in the book you have read recently. Don't practice what a motivational speaker told you to practice, because your life is different, your circumstances, your resources, your family system, your culture is completely different. That's not going to comply in your life at all. Please just introspect and do something which is best for you, best at that point in time. That's what I have been doing it. I never planned my life at all. Yes, when I book a ticket to one country, I book a ticket, but what will happen in between, I don't plan. And what will happen in next 5 days over there, I don't plan. I just go have fun, surprise myself. I eat whatever I like eating. I meet with people, whatever I like to do. So that's what, please don't go with a plan. Did you plan Corona? No. So that's the biggest lesson in our life right now, to connect with our life, to introspect. The word introspect I'm emphasizing on is, don't follow anybody. I'm against reading so many books. Sorry, if you are a book lover. Reason being, if you have read 100 books, and if you are not practicing only one page out of all 100 books, so don't tell me you have read 100 books. You got my point? If you have read 100 books, and if you are not practicing one page out of 100 books, so don't tell me you have read books, and don't tell me you are unhappy. It's because you chose to be unhappy, you chose to be unsuccessful, you chose not to go on stage, you chose not to be inspiring personality, you chose to fail. I'm sorry to say, you know all the tools and tips from people around you. Even this entire session for 2 hours is more than enough to get inspiration. All different 6 speeches, evaluations. What else do we need? You don't need richest person on the planet to inspire you, because his life was completely different than your life. So that's what from my side. If you are able to forgive me without knowing me, please forgive yourself. Go deliver your next project. Fight for your roles. That's what will make you a different person. That's what will help you deliver hundreds of speeches, and out of 100 speeches or hundreds of speeches, maybe one speech will be your life changing. A quick life story I would like to share with you. I've made social media account on Facebook, and I've uploaded more than 100 videos. Nothing worked. Maybe 400 views, 500 views, 1000 views. One video I uploaded where I was teaching my child and my wife about education, that every child is a different child. We should not judge them by the grading, and that went viral, reaches to millions people. And out of that, because of that video, now we are famous. Now all my videos are viral because of one video. That's what I'm trying to let you click with. Only one speech will make you a different person. Don't count your all speeches where you have failed, where you don't feel like I'm done. No, okay, that's normal, because this is a practice session. Go deliver. Don't judge yourself. Forgive yourself for the mistake you have committed or you made. It's okay to do mistake, because that's what makes us human beings. Because I have never seen a stone making a mistake, a table making a mistake, but human beings do mistake. Please do mistake and learn from them, and one speech will make you a different person altogether. And second is, please promise with yourself. Don't bring barrier in front of you. That barrier could be a book, a motivational speaker, or any person who is sitting next to you. You feel like he is senior than me. No. Make sure you promise to yourself your life is different. Introspect, get some clicks from their life, and that's it. Your life is different life.